Before you start, ensure the workspace is clean, dry, and free from dust or debris. Make sure you have a flat surface available to lay the film down without creases or wrinkles. Clean your work site. Be careful when cutting the packaging. Keep all tools off the pad. Avoid rushing. Be especially cautious when handling the sides of the roll to avoid any damage to the film edges, which are particularly sensitive and crucial for proper installation. Once the sides are unpacked, start removing the locking tape. Be very careful and secure the roll to prevent it from popping off. Secure the film roll with your hand while removing the last piece of locking tape to prevent the roll from popping off. If the film has a protective liner, ensure it remains intact while unrolling. Lay the film on a clean, flat surface. Allow it to rest flat for a while to help it settle and minimize curling. Exercise extra caution to avoid dropping any tools on the film or stepping on it. Check the film for any visible defects, such as bubbles, creases, or scratches, and ensure the edges are completely intact.